Hey guys and gals, hope everyone's doing well. I know it's been a while since I've posted a video, and I do have a few things on the horizon, but in the meantime I wanted to share with you something that just happened. Yet another puncture in one of my tires, this time by this sucker here. Everyone knows that has a 911. These cars are just magnets for nails and screws and tire punctures. And there's a lot of debate out there as to whether or not you should even repair them. Well, I wanted to post this video. This is kind of a redundant video because I've posted about them before, and by now you probably are aware I'm a big fan of this company called Tread Connection. They will come out to your home or business and swap your tires or make a repair. And this video is going to just provide a little bit more detail into the plug and patch repair that is done for my car. So just wanted to, for people that want to see a little bit more detail and up close exactly how the plug and patch is applied. Perhaps it'll give you a little bit more peace of mind in deciding to do that rather than replacing an entire tire. Now, obviously, there are certain instances where if the hole, the puncture hole, is too close to the sidewall, or if you already have very little tread left on the tire, that you would just decide to replace the tire. But these tires still have quite a bit of life left on them. I expect that I'll probably end up replacing them next year, and given where the hole was, where this screw came out of, I felt it was a pretty safe option to go ahead and do a plug patch repair. So anyways, here comes the video. Stay tuned, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave me any kind of questions that you have about this, and any kind of feedback on future content for this channel. Alrighty, take care everyone. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye. And here is Tread Connection pulling up right on schedule. Alright, so we put some soap on it, and we see that there is indeed a leak coming out of there, but not that we had any surprise, because that is one big screw. Alright, yes. Off to the corgi. Alright, we load the tire up onto this machine here. It places it onto the Corgi 5000.
This is plastic, so no scratching, right?
Okay.
It's not metal like this one. This is the one we use for trucks.
Okay.
And if I need to use it for something like this, I'll put this protector.
Okay.
Mess that up, right?
Excellent.
So this is what holds the rim down, right? So there's no hooks holding it from anywhere else. It's just from the center here.
Okay.
I'm going to graduate it so I'm close to the rim but not touching it.
Alright.
With these plastic pieces here. This is what's going to separate the bead from the wheel, right?
Okay.
The bead of the tire. Here's your screw. We'll use a little lube here so it becomes an easier process for the tire move. I'm careful with the sensor, right? So I go down.
Alright, now we're doing the bottom.
Same rule down here that synchronize with this one. So this one moves,
okay.
That one moves the same distance. So it's already at the same degree of separation from the wheel. I separated the wheel from the tire. gonna go in between the tire and the rim. They're gonna twist here. It's gonna do this movement.
And that pulls it away.
And then I rotate and you get it on. Here, when there's a lot of pressure here, we press here 180 degrees from it, and it will come up a little bit more. Right? Okay? That releases some pressure from it. Rotate. It's off. That's it.
Nice.
To get the bottom off, I get here. Then I bring that roller up. And you can see it down here.
And there we have it. So we mark it up.
And then, see, this was the front or the rear?
That's the front.
That's the front, right? This, okay, remember where it is. There. All right. Together.
All right, here's the screw that we just pulled out. That there is a mean little screw.
Then we use these large patches to call it a size,
Okay.
and the small patches, right?
All right.
And for this one, I'll go in with this drill, just to clean that hole,
to
right?
bore it out.
And with for the large one, with this one.
Okay.
But seeing the size of that screw, I don't think I need to go. Well, maybe we'll go to the large one.
I think so.
Yeah.
You're the pro. I'm
Yeah.
gonna take your advice on that.
See how big this hole is. I mean, it's thick like that, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we should use one of this one. It will be pretty tight in there,
Perfect.
you know? This one's pretty thin.
Tight is better.
Tight is better. Especially going at the speed with those cars.
And with the tire hole too, it's better.
Yeah, yeah.
All right, here we go.
There we go.
Alright, so this is to sand out the inside to make it a rougher surface.
See this design?
Yeah.
So we want to smooth that out so the patch is in a clean surface. Right?
Okay.
In a flat surface. We want to go without going too deep, right? Yeah, it comes out. Clean that up. I think that's good.
So this is just to clean off the area to prepare it.
Dry quick kind of tire cement, right? Put some here in the stem. We're gonna put through that hole. Then we cover the area here. Make sure that it's very tight. Put some pressure on it.
Okay, so this is a different
Sealer.
Okay, the other one is tire repair cement, and this is tire repair sealer.
Then we take this little plastic off. Okay. And we seal that off with this.
This is just like liquid rubber.
Liquid rubber. In circular motion like this. Make sure we cover all of that area. All right.
Okay, so this is a different
Sealer.
Okay, the other one is tire repair cement, and this is tire repair sealer.
Then we take this little plastic off. Okay. And we seal that off with this.
This is just like liquid rubber.
Liquid rubber. In circular motion like this. Make sure we cover all of that area.
All right, so here's the excess piece.
Yeah, we leave a little bit of that out, right?
All right.
And after we're done, I'll put some soap on it, make sure it was sealed, that it is sealed. Should be good. Here. And then, in order to mount the tire, we put about 180 degrees from the head, right? The tire's gonna be going in right where the head is. That head down there, halfway, it's not touching the wheel. Then this roller, there's an area in the wheel that's called the drop dead center. We bring this to drop dead center, which is about 1 inch and so in this wheel for this. And the same with this third hand here. Okay. This is the drop dead center. If you want to see here, this,
Oh.
this is the drop dead center right here.
Okay, got
This
it.
area right here, this drop here. So we put the instruments at that drop, and we will start going around, and the tire naturally start going in.
All right.
You see me releasing some pressure from here as I tightening. On these kind of tires, we do that. There you go. See? Start to go in.
Mhm.
Pushing it in. And as it gets tight here, right? It's actually going in nicely, but I release here. And it keeps going in. See? No touching. Go ahead. Make up a little bit. Not quite yet, but coming. You remember how much air? We put a new valve stand. I mean, four valves. Right? Valve four. Here I did it with my foot. I get air from these tanks that are from this machine. Then I have that air dedicated to tires, and that's a more accurate read than this. But just to fill it up, right? So I can put out my hands. And then I'll check the pressure with that one.
Okay.
This has a torque. 4 pounds.
Wow. So
Yeah. You don't get all that gunk exposed. Only 0.75 ounces, so we don't need all that weight to make it look ugly, right?
and it tells you exactly where to put it.
Exactly. Put that laser there.
Oh, right
There.
where the laser is.
And clean that
Okay.
liquid, which is alcohol based, so it doesn't ruin the wheels. No acetone or anything like that.
All right.
Just to be careful with some of the wheels are very delicate. Right?
Can I get you to do that to all my wheels on the inside?
Yeah, sure. Not a problem. I don't know if that stuff will come off, right?
So each one of those is 1/4 of an ounce each piece,
Correct.
and so you're putting 3/4 of an ounce per the machine.
For the
here.
machine. Right
Right
where the
there.
laser is.
Right on the center of the laser. Nice. Let's see if we get a 0-0. Look at that.
Oh, huh?
Perfect.
Perfect.
Well, there you have it, folks. The tire's been repaired, and I got to hand it to Tread Connection. They were very responsive. I called him and spoke to the guy at 7 in the morning, and he was out by 2 p.m. Really happy with the job that he did, and highly recommend them. And if you like this video, please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think of the video. Let me know what you think of doing repairs on tires versus replacing them. And as well, let me know if you have any ideas for future content. And that's about it. I hope everyone enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time. Take care, everyone.